Hello everyone, if you're considering using the Appraisal Tagger to analyze your file, you can do so and extract the tags by doing the following. Click to upload your file. It should be in a Word format, and then click Save. It's going to go through the file, automatically annotate based on the database, and then it will automatically download the file with the name of the original file and then modified. What you need to do is open this file, and here's to how to easily extract these tags. First of all, if you go to the very end, you will find a count of the tags according to the three main subsystems of appraisal. Another thing that you can do is that you can go ahead and click on editing selects, select all text with similar formatting. It's going to select all tags for engagement for they use similar formatting for the color coded blue and the font and so on and so forth. And then you're going to copy and you're going to go to the Excel workbook that I will provide you with, and only in the column A you're going to paste these tags. Do the same thing for the green and the blue, which are the attitude and graduation. You're going to go to editing, select text with similar formatting, copy, going to the Excel file, paste in the sheet tags, only in column A. Do the same for the third system, editing, select text with similar formatting, copy, go to the Excel workbook and paste. Now you are done. Don't forget to save your work. You will find that in tables, the tables automatically count the tags in the file, and in figures it's going to automatically generate the figures as the tags appear in your file. And that's how we do it. Thank you very much.